When someone says don't beat around the bush, they mean don't waste time or avoid talking about something directly. It's like when you have a question and instead of asking it right away, you talk about other things first. For example, if you want to know if your friend can come over to play, you shouldn't say, "How was your day? Did you have fun at school? What did you have for lunch?" You should just ask, "Can you come over to play?" The origin of this idiom comes from hunting. Hunters would beat around bushes to scare out animals hiding inside. So, when you beat around the bush in conversation, you're like the hunter wasting time instead of getting to the point. So remember, don't beat around the bush, just say what you mean.